Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a viral Snapchat filters using Lens Studio AI in just few minutes. Let's get started. First, head to lensstudiosnapchat.com and download a Lens Studio for free. And you can also open it to your browser, then sign in with your account. Then here click a new project and choose AI lens template like AI background, 3D face mask or text to art filters. Then use AI prompts to generate effects or upload images for inspiration. You can add animations, stickers, and sound to make it engaging. Then here click Publish Lens, name it, and share your snap code on stories or with friends to boost visibility and go viral. And that's how you make viral Snapchat filters with Lens Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.